ene so bede emma ye maame ba kope. Yes, o deserve state burial cry. O deserve national day. O deserve normal bebre. The tia American way na sana maboni pani de no. It's hunu and normal emfa bibi emma on my non koso. Yes, trendy. When they were trending 35k, 95k, DNK, me de me co school no man who k ni bi that there. It's some hunu and no hunu. Media they can't hobby. And normal be why I say media e do musiko ema wiase ehunu de ekoso yie no. Ni ada ho. Ebio na di police for ho yaw. Police service me di omo yaw papa. Se eba se echina enka yenuanu bi etiesi abonten aye ye kire no. Secular eba all the media houses say they are calling court injunction. Inti yenuanu ntimi enye demonstration no. Social media so hini bibia e wo so a police department and I make almost and as a police service. Omo na number 1 kura ansana kama media de no. She said there may be kanasem no or a police woman. The first police woman your fan of police your mommy birthday BBC in the birthday kakra e wa hama no it is at the core viral said the sanekano which is last year. This year na ma mini free mu. This year ma mini free mu no eno so no mo amote dem amote say the first police woman your fan of police service Ghana pacho Mr. Tete wote antitina wote the first police woman and now the set of police women are foul no me 12. I'm talking about your mommy PW1 obi akọ Facebook your mommy no odaho me said the police a man no police mu no me said do omo yaw service ni nyina na nche no me said di man ho yaw the birthday bi ko ho your police for yire no so kuro e wo ho make PW1 ye maame ROSEMOND ASIAMSH and me boni din PW1 no me ma 12 and ye fa wo mo on na number 1 into na lead wo mu nyina lutie bio and na maame so and ma police and ma etimi ware kanya sa ka police ni ba wontimi ware no wawo abeye mother maame na sorry e catch commissioner then 1952 and they found the police Chokoma commissioner said no a member na juma mo ye na nua bi na yeso ye a member na ware ewo ade na ye man de ye ware na yeso ye wo ti mami fighting say so ba ewo police so so timi ware through this woman and the other 11 and then the police women are and then more enjoy all these benefits ni na no mami wu ye kromudin such a woman a car as a circus state burial crown ya de mano ko Facebook Asempa94.7 ko hwe odaho nice lady ya mami nya 91 years and what dear free efe Depo police training enra eno ye small bi o. Mati se media bo hu dero. Mati so obi kan ho asem. Obi an Google say maami kra ne casket kra no ye de ko hye ayi mu kra ma ye kra no eda he. Nothing. Omaya ye pese ku ye ho ma oman no. Omo dikan ya ye bi se ne bi dete ase. Ye hwehwe omo kira kwan. Meka say 12 no. Me bebo voice bi wa baako e kasai. Ye voice no.
And then the fourth was to encourage more women to join.
Sa voice we ne bapanyi ene kasai. Tama BBC for call ni fie e call documentary. Na all kasa kire yenti.
And then the fourth was to encourage more women to join the police by her insisting that women who got pregnant and wanted to have children would be allowed to have children and come back and join the force after their maternity leave.
We were recruited the same day, the 12th of us. Straight away, she was made our head. Our main job was matters concerning women and children. You couldn't marry, and therefore you couldn't have children. But we were women, so we said, well, that couldn't be because we were serving the country in the same way as the men. They marry, they live with their wives and children. Why can't we marry?
The decision by her to petition the governor at that time, requesting that policewomen should be allowed to marry, get pregnant, and have children as and when they wanted, was a very important one for all those policemen who came after them. I believe if that had not happened, we would have had less women in the police service than we have now.
Asam ni nyina ni. Sekanye manu ya eka my work police yen hwe numbers no say okay be crack less but mami wuye police women na mo Ghana ha mo ti man sore anyina anya bibia ma mami ya tehwe areho asefim PW1 ROSEMOND ANKANSAH enra ene edne koto ejane kukum the whole nation ochina Mother's Day that day were what fighting for women so adentina omodo muntimi nware no omonwo ene be celebrating mothers ochina o enam awonti and again, 1952 no, omojuma pa ne say to protect nkwada ene ma. Nkwada ene ma. Ene dosu no ho no no. Na omo no na asha ase dada. I'm so sad from Enra. Nice lady, 91 years oko. But the nation is silent on such a person. Make us say, but the PW1 and the Quay, A.B. and not train or the Okasa, no. I'm still looking, A.B. and not obitio Nima. I'm looking for this lady, Nabe Transi. Nabe cancel about police. Actually, that I'm not too new, car new, Aba. Kutia ba ene nom de nam satam no kaki do kura ne mudu sine ne dey they have sacrificed o Mother's Day na se maami awu na yasa kopɛ ne kura bre 2 days to the day no police women kamo sorry senya demonstration ne kura na the police though they did their own idea but it was a silent. I'm sad. Mother's Day. This program with the mama me and the busia. And then other colleagues are no more. No more 12. ko Facebook a obi hu ma share also share na obi hu bi yeah. Asempa94.7 mo so for Kwaku Amankwatia Akonta jo